5 passengers.
And there's our dinosaur footprint.
Yeah,
there's our
there.
fossil.
Wow.
Like I said, we're doing 2 canyons.
This is one of the best science demos I've ever seen.
Alligator?
Oh, fuck it, he's not moving.
Alligator.
Take it real close. It looks like an alligator.
Without any, all this city underneath.
Back up because you must be as good as the photo.
Jest.
Juta nauczyła mnie cierpliwości i właśnie dała mi taki szacunek do przemijającego czasu i do tego, żeby też wykorzystać ten czas, który ja mam, do tego, żeby się budować relacje z ludźmi, być bardziej cierpliwym.
Mamy prywatnego przewodnika, który nas zaprowadzi do kanionu X, który jest bardzo mało uczęszczany. Jest około 30 stopni teraz, najprawdopodobniej w kanionie będzie jeszcze bardziej gorąco, więc łatwo nie będzie, ale razem z Ligą damy radę.
Yeah.
Howard crossed the railroad and wrote petroleum. I have 5 passengers on the way.
Little grandma, we called her little grandma because she was really smooth.
Like I said, we're doing 2 canyons. The South Canyon is a V-shaped canyon, so more light filters into the canyon.
Okay.
The North Canyon is an A-shaped canyon, so less light goes into that canyon. Come down this way, guys. Follow me.
Będąc w Utah, zrozumiałem, jak krótki jest okres, w którym żyjemy, patrząc na to, jak długo istnieje planeta. I jak zacząłem zastanawiać się nad tym, ile w ogóle warte jest nasze życie i jak krótki jest to epizod, w porównaniu do tego, jak długo te góry były formowane, no to jest to tak naprawdę bardzo niewielki element i to też również wpłynęło na moją taką przemianę, na takie mniejsze przejmowanie się problemami, dlatego że jesteśmy bardzo malutcy, jeżeli chodzi o ewolucję życia.
This is our ocean water, right here. If you look at this, you're gonna see how the water or the sand soaks up all this moisture. Under here, compression just took place. All this got squeezed together, compact down. We call this Triassic Formation. Now we got another layer. This one's called a Jurassic Formation. That's when the dinosaurs were here, okay? So these were like swamps, lagoons, marshes, mud flats, even lavas and volcanoes. Let's say this is my dinosaur.
Okay.
Dinosaurs roamed this earth and they left their footprints. And the dinosaurs, they all died. They left their bones. Become fossils. The sunlight would shine on this and the heat from the light would harden this. So this is all laid down by wind, compressed by water and hardened by heat. Just like you're making cookies. You make the soft dough, you put it on a sheet pan, you put it in a hot oven, you take it out later, nice hard cookies. Same thing. After this, we got some more layers. We call it the Cretaceous formations. We have what we call the Moenkopi Formation, the Koda Formation, we have the Chinle Formation, we have the Kayenta Formation, the Mogollon Formation, the Kaibab Formation, the Navajo Sandstone Formation. All this covered back up. Looks like nothing happened. Okay, but down deep inside, underneath, millions of years ago, something happened. So we're doing time and moisture, pressure, heat, and erosion. Erosion is the last thing, and that's going on today, right this minute. We have wind erosion, water erosion, plant erosion, man erosion, animal, all kinds of erosion going on. Started to uncover what had compressed underneath millions of years ago. We started to uncover what we call sandstone. And that's what we see everywhere. Looking at it from the side, you see the different layers that you see everywhere. That's what we see. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to flip it sideways so you guys have a better view.
Huh. Yeah. So all those things we see just jutting up,
Yes.
that's what they are. Yeah.
If we didn't see you just make that, we could have come across it and thought it was a rock.
Yes. And there's our dinosaur footprint.
Yeah,
There's our
there.
fossil. Okay, fossil. Now, I'm going to show you how the slot canyon is formed. Everything is based on weather. Hot and cold weather. Heat expands and cold contracts. So what happens to the sandstone? They start pulling, they start pushing, they start shifting, and then you got these cracks, what we call stress fractures. They form, and when it rains, water goes in there. The more water goes in there, the wider it gets. The wider it gets, more water goes in there. Hot, cold weather, and they'll push at each other. They'll pull at each other, and they'll form these what we call stress fractures. And when it rains, water goes in there and starts to carve it. So here's our rainwater. And again, this takes millions of years. It's not an overnight thing. Rain after rain, through all the seasons, water comes through here and it starts to carve. Carves out Slot Canyon. And you can come up here and look in there. You might even see yourself posing for a photo in there. A little mini me. Basically, that's what happened here.
Yeah.
And I'm a science teacher.
Yeah.
I taught for 25 years. This is one of the best science demos I've ever seen.
Thank you.
That's high praise.
It speaks a lot, doesn't it?
Wow, thank you. Zobacz co takiego pięknego zrobiliśmy. Zobacz co to jest. Zobaczcie na to. Czapki z głów. A tu jeszcze zrobiłem taką piękną.
Każda podróż, którą odbywamy, tak jak mówiłem od początku, zostawia ślad w postaci pewnego rodzaju przemyśleń, które kształtują nas, które przypominają o tym, co jest najważniejsze.